ChatGPT is a super powerful tool. If you are in business, you should absolutely be leveraging it to automate those annoying tasks that no one wants to do, and you should also be using it to help you grow your business and make sales. So I'll tag you 7 ways that ChatGPT can help you grow your online. So for free, yes, this tool is free, and as a bonus for sticking until the end, if you are serious about using the power of OpenAI to boost your business's productivity and income levels, I will talk to you about ChatGPT 4, that is OpenAI has latest release, and what new features it has and how you can leverage them to your benefit. So let's get started. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to back. If you are new here, my name is Sadık Vural. I'm creative strategist and I am also your host for today's video. And if you guys are super new here and you have never watched any of our videos from this channel, what's up? This is Learn with Sadık Vural. This is an official e-commerce YouTube tutorial channel where we give easy to follow step-by-step tutorials for entrepreneurs of all levels. So welcome to the crew and make sure that you are subscribing if that does sound good to you, and hit that notification bell because we drop a new video every week. I'm gonna explain what ChatGPT is and how to get logged onto it. So if you already know this, feel free to just use the timestamp in the description box to skip ahead. But first, what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is chatbot and uses AI to understand humans and spit out human-like responses. And what makes this tool so useful is it operates on generative AI, meaning that ChatGPT can actually generate new content rather than, let's say, Google, which is just referencing existing content from the web. So, for example, you can get it to solve math problems, you can get it to write code, explain a complex concept in depth, summarize books. So, prepare articles, write blog posts, write short videos, scripts, and just so much more. And what makes it so special is it doesn't feel like you're talking to a bot. From its launch, ChatGPT gained over 1 million users in the span of 5 days, and guys, this growth is absolutely unheard of. The compare platforms to gain the same amount of users, it took Facebook 10 months, it took Twitter 24 months, and Netflix 3.5 years. That is a lot. So in case you haven't already, let me show you you can sign up to get started with this, how to use ChatGPT. So if you go to chatopinion.com, it is all ask you to create a free account, and once you do, you'll be taken to a chatbot. Here is where you can ask the platform so perform these tasks and answer questions for you, and that is it all right now. Let me show you what it can do for your business. Level up your spreadsheets productivity. ChatGPT can make very tedious tasks within Excel or Google Sheets a lot quicker and more painless. Not only can do things for you. So if you have ever been looking at a spreadsheet and you know exactly what is you need to do, but you just don't know how to do it, ChatGPT can quickly teach, so you know how to do it. So check this out. Let's say you have a list of customers and their first and last names are in single cell, but you wanna to spread these cells. You can type into ChatGPT and ask it how do I spare a first and last name into two spared cells in Excel, and this is the answer that it give me. So that's really good. But I actually wanted a formula for how to do this really quickly and easily. So the nice thing about ChatGPT is that it remembers our conversation in the same chat. So now I can have a conversation with it. So now I'm gonna ask if it can give me a formula for this, and look, it give me a formula that I can now easily plug into Excel. The nice thing about this that Google doesn't have is that it generates, so creates an accurate response within 10 seconds or less, and I don't have time to search the internet to get a definitely answer. So this is just one of the ways that you can use ChatGPT to help you make your life in spreadsheets just go a lot smoother. So let me know some useful prompts or Excel you discovered using ChatGPT in the comment section below. You can write a job description. So whether you want to hear someone to join your team full time, or maybe you just need a quick freelancer from Upwork, you're gonna need a job description. So I wanna ask ChatGPT to write me a professional and friendly job, so description with some of my requirements and a matter of seconds. So look how detailed this is, guys. This saved me a lot of time of thinking of how I can word my sentences and how to make it sound super professional, and how I have a job description that's tailored my needs and that I can quickly edit. You can write content in multiple different languages. So if you're selling products or services internationally, you're gonna need your communications in different languages. Whether you're writing a product description or a marketing email, ChatGPT can not only translate it into any language, but it can also create it for you from scratch, right? So let's do this for an example. Let's print it. I wanted to create an about us page on my website. I'm gonna to ask ChatGPT to create a 90-word statement about my methods brand that focuses on sustainability. I'll give it a few details about my company, so that is has something to work with. And guys, look what is spits out. This is ready for me to copy and paste onto my about us page on my website. Now I'm gonna tell to translate the statement for my Spanish speaking customers, and look how perfect and seamless this was, right? In debug code if you're running a business and you have a website or an e-commerce store. At some point you're gonna be faced with having to write some code, and having the skill is extremely helpful to make custom edits so to your site. But not everyone is a coder, right? So if you are total beginner, you can ask ChatGPT how to write code from JavaScript to Python, and if ever you have a piece of code that is broken, instead of taking hours to find that error, ChatGPT can actually point out where that error is for you. Create lead magnets. In our most recent video, Slavly Langley left a comment asking how to create a lead magnet using ChatGPT is slowly. And by way, guys, if you do want to see any use cases of ChatGPT that I haven't maintained here, you can just leave it in the comments section down below, just like Slavi did. But yeah, I feel like this question is an amazing question, Slavly. So for everyone that has never heard of lead magnet and what is lead magnets are useful resources that can be easily and freely accessed by prospective customers. The point of them is to use them as a hook to attract new customers. So for example, you could create a free downloadable booklet and make it available for users on your Shopify site, right? It would have your brand, so your branding, it would have your website, email, or even phone number, so that when this prospective customer is done using this amazing, awesome free resource, the next logical step is to get it touch with you, hence the name. Lead magnet, right? So Slavy asks how to make a free downloadable booklet, and that is exactly what we are going to use ChatGPT to do. Less printed I have nurturing business, we are going to use ChatGPT to help us write a booklet with meals for an entire week, all under 100 calories. I could see this began really useful for everyone. So that is trying to stay healthy, and I might even put some recipes in there that could include some of my products. That's just one example, but you could do content just like this, from fitness to food to fashion and garden and so much more. Use ChatGPT to negotiate tactfully in business. Negotiations will just be part of your day-to-day life, but it is common to feel kind of cluttered by emotion and to be able to negotiate tactfully when that happens. So you can leverage ChatGPT to come up with strategic and rational responses. So check this out. I said I'm negotiating with a super who wants to sell me their units at $2, but I can only afford $1 per unit. How can I strategically, respectively, and tactfully negotiate? And it comes back with essentially the most clear and concise crash course I have ever seen on the important principles of negotiation. And I was like, okay, now write me an email responding back to the supplier, and this is what it answered. So now I can literally copy and paste this and send it off if I wanted to. So that's super useful. You can use ChatGPT to write email marketing content. So some people have a knack for writing ChatGPT and very cool marketing content, and then some of us just aren't right that way. But the good news is that ChatGPT can help you write your next email. So to help you sell your products or services, let's go over to ChatGPT to see just how. I'm gonna say, write me a 2 sentences product wrap that advertises that my Japanese denim brand is having a 20 off sale. So I also wanted to write me some fine print including dates and exceptions to this sale, and here is what it gave me. And guys, I can put this in the bottom of my email. Now I'm gonna to ask it to write me a subject line and preview text as well. And so now that I have all this, I can hear over the Mailchimp or Klaviyo or whatever email service provider that I'm using to, and copy and paste this text easy, as that this email is only halfway done. But we still need emoji. So if you don't have emoji and you actually want to use AI to generate emoji for you, I urge you to check out this video right over here. This is how to use Dolly to generate branded emoji without ever having to pick up a camera. Email marketing is an invaluable tool to generate sales, whether you have 3 active customers or 3,000 active customers, and ChatGPT can help you nail these communications every single time. Guys, it's time to give you your much anticipated bonus. Let's talk about ChatGPT 4. If you made this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It does help our channel out a lot. And don't forget to hit the like button as well. Okay, the creator of ChatGPT, OpenAI, announced the release of ChatGPT 4 to the public, which is available to Plus members only. So yeah, it's a paid service, but it is worth every penny. Here are some of the features that it can do. It is a lot smarter than ChatGPT, scoring higher on complex tasks than its previous model. It can handle bigger prompts. It has the ability to output responses with over 25,000 words, and ChatGPT is currently limited to 3,000, so that is almost 10x the amount of words that it can spit out. It accepts images as inputs. So for example, if you just bought a new house plan and you don't know what it is called or how to properly care for it, you can add a photo of your new plant into ChatGPT 4 and will automatically identify it. You can do the something for insect identification, dog identification, location identification, even outfit identification. Here is another cool example. Let's say you see your favorite celebrity out and about in the city and you take a shot of what they are wearing because you love their outfit. Put that image into the ChatGPT 4 and it will provide you with a list of websites that contain similar looking items within the limitations of your budget. How cool is that? So ChatGPT 4 can do much more than that. It can also act as a language identification system. It can appraise that the value of your antiques and collectibles and can appraise the image to your car in case you ever get into an accident, and the list goes. And I love learning all of this stuff. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. If you guys would like us to make another video on how to use ChatGPT for you and your business, let us know in the comment section below, because we ready every single one of them. There is just so much to explore with this tool. Now that you know how to use AI to run your business, there is literally no reason that you should be starting your Shopify store. I mean, have an army of superhuman robot workers at your disposal, at your fingertips, right? So Shopify, it's gonna offer a free trial, no credit card required, so that you can try some of the features. You can try it out for yourself and see if it is right for your. If you need a helping and setting everything up, no worries. We actually create a free online course that will help you turn a product idea into online sales in a matter of days. So be sure to click the links right here or in the description box below if you are interested in that. Okay, guys, so that was 7 different ways that you can use ChatGPT to make your life as a business owner as easy as possible, and how you can use it to start making sales. I know that in the last video you guys were asking for a part 2, but I just didn't see too many people asking for very specific tasks. So make sure that you're leaving a comment down below with any tasks that you would want to ChatGPT to help you with, and we will include that in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to start, run and grow online business, guys. My name is Sadık Vural. I have been your host for today and I will see you in the next one. Bye.